Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm rolling on with stuff that I've reviewed in the past, and I'm kind of taking a break from doing all the photographing and this and that and the other thing. Kind of a reward to myself at the end of the year, and doing stuff that you might find easily around you. A lot of people have been asking about that on the group. If you want to check out the group, go to Instant Noodles - The Ramen Raider over on Facebook. But yeah, I got one that I found the other day at Wajimaya in Bellevue. This is Sapporo Ichiban Tonkotsu Ramen. It's a chicken tonkotsu. And it's generally pretty good stuff. I've had it a couple times before and I really liked it. So I thought, why not? So the last episode I did was pre-Christmas. Now it is post-Christmas. The Monday after Christmas. Looking towards New Year's shortly. And then bidding adieu to 2020 and hello. There's even another thing of 2020's unkindness. I just spilled noodle bits on my freshly cleaned stovetop. That was, thanks a lot, 2020. But we have a new addition, thanks to my beautiful, wonderful wife, Kit. You can thank her in the comments below. But we have a new thing, and he's gone for you, but we still got him. He's being a pain in the butt. So check it out. Is the Ramen Raider the best show of all time? Check this thing out.
I don't think so.
Is Instant Noodle Recipe Time the finest program you've ever seen?
Absolutely, 100%.
See? It gives you quotes from the president guy. Are you going to go away after Inauguration Day?
100% right.
Well, I tend to doubt that. I don't know. I just don't know, but we shall see. He says he's gonna, but I don't think he will. And we've got our quote of the day from Momofuku Endo Speaks, the book of quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles, number 135. I don't think I did this one already. Subordinates try to show their good sides to their boss. The CEO should be careful not to make judgments based on that side alone. So yeah, pretty cool. So Christmas was quite good. Our friend Matt Bella came by for a visit. Brought some really interesting stuff. He made ramen bread. So he used one of those bread machines, and actually he added some chili crisp or chili and oil, some My Quality Penang white curry, all the sachets from that. He also used some cooked Asha dry noodle, the Hakka thick cut noodle, and some spring onion. And man, I tell you what, it was spicy, wonderful, heartburny goodness. It was really good. And just like kept tearing hunks of that off and having some beer, and oh god, it was really good. Highly recommend it. We're gonna do more of those. I'm gonna get one of those bread machines. I guess they're cheap. You can get one at like you can get a used one at a thrift store for like $6 or $7. You know, not too much. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. He was like, "You had a great idea to try this," and then he did it. He's definitely more of a master baker than I, but I may have to upgrade my my master baking. There goes the allowableness on the channel to have this video up, I'm guessing. I don't know. We shall see. My favorite things I got for Christmas. I got my wife a new Hello Kitty purse and some of her favorite smell good stuff. She got me that weird little Trump Yammer box and a little book where you fill in the stuff. It's like of like all these different writing prompts, and there's like 50 different things that are like basically why she loves me. She was worried it was kind of cheesy. It's like, oh, I like cheesy. I'm down with that. And since I lost it, she got me. Check that out. New ring. Yeah. She was like, does it feel weird? I'm like, no, I feel right now. I've felt like weirdly incomplete without my ring, because we got each other rings on our first date, really. We went to San Francisco in New Year's Day. Was it New Year's Day or the day after? I don't remember. Noodles. That's nice. Nice chickeny tonkotsu, thick. Not really thick, but hearty noodles, broth. I like it. But yeah, we both got each other rings, and I lost a bunch of weight, and mine fell off, and I got her a nicer ring later on. But we got them in Chinatown, in San Francisco. Just little kind of like silver promise rings. But I mean, we met each other December 22nd on the phone, and then by July 6th we got married. So a whirlwind romance, to be sure, and very enjoyable. So I am very happy with how Christmas went. The children made out like veritable freaking bandits. They got new tablets. God, what did they get? They got new tablets. They got lots of clothes. Mimi got her thing that she's been pining for a while now. She wanted this thing called a star belly. Basically a stuffed animal with a light that projects stars on the ceiling and rotates. It's pretty neat. You can see why she wanted that. It is pretty cool. Well, it's pretty cool if you're a 4-year-old little girl. Personally, I wouldn't have wanted one. Not now, not when I was a kid. I don't know. It's kind of freaky. But yeah. Again, thank you to my wife for the beautiful eggs. She made those last night. And we've got some chicken, since it's a chicken tonkotsu thing. About like that. About like that. And it's weird. I haven't done any of this stuff since last Wednesday. But for you, I believe it is Valentine's Day. Like I said, it's January 28th today. So we're in very, very different regions of the cosmos right now. But yeah, good times. Uh-oh. That's not necessary. No school right now. A little bit of sunflower seeds, or why do I keep wanting to call this stuff sunflower seeds? I don't know. Sesame seeds. Ah, where'd that shichimi? Shichimi togarashi is right hiding right freaking there. There you are. I'm gonna use the other stuff. I've got this fancier togarashi. If I could find it. There it is. Yeah, this is the fancy schmancy. A bit of that right. Like that. I could. Kizami nori just means sliced seaweed. Miles is having fun making extra noise. And I think I'm going to use a little bit of this chili oil in some little spots. Purdy. Alright, let's rotate. And we will have a fun time with that. And a new song. Oops. Alright, well that's cool. Let's see if that guy likes this stuff. This thing's pretty funny, I think. But is this ramen good? What do you think, dude? It's good stuff.
We're gonna see what happens. Gonna be exciting.
It's gonna be exciting. So, yeah, cool. I like it. Sapporo Ichiban Tonkotsu white broth. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.